Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys. That should be Financial Week.
Thank you so much, Janelle. Indeed, in the Financial Week this evening, Derman is planning to expand its footprint. I'll tell you how in the Financial Week later on.
All right, thanks, Keys. And from Keys, we go to Jordan. He'll tell us what's coming in sports.
Well, Herman, not all parishes have teams representing them in Jamaica Premier League, but that doesn't mean those parishes won't host matches in the Jamaica Premier League. I'll tell you the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think should be done to keep more beaches free to the public?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.